Want to know how to use Skool as a creator? In this quick explainer, I'll break down exactly how this platform can help you engage your audience, grow your community, and optimize your content creation process. Stick around until the end because I'm also going to share an exclusive offer and some alternatives that might even be a better fit for your goals. So, how does Skool work for creators? First off, let's talk about what Skool does best. It combines the best features of social communities, course creation, and membership sites all in one. If you're a creator looking to build a solid community, Skool lets you organize your content into simple courses while also allowing users to interact in a social feed. You get the benefit of structure with the ability to engage your audience more freely than traditional course platforms. Next thing, setting up your community. Skool offers you an easy to use platform for creating a space where members can interact, share ideas, and collaborate. You can organize this however you want, whether it's by creating different sections, such as courses, discussions, or resources, or by tailoring the experience to fit your unique brand. The design is simple and intuitive, which makes it easy to get started without a steep learning curve. The third thing worth mentioning is the user experience. Skool is fairly minimalistic in its design, which can be a plus or a minus depending on your needs. On one hand, it's easy to navigate. On the other, it doesn't offer as many customization options as other platforms like Teachable or Thinkific. For instance, if you're looking for a platform where you can deeply personalize the design and feel of your community, Skool may not be for you. Another thing to keep in mind is the interaction with your audience. Skool's focus is really on community building, with a strong emphasis on discussions and user-generated content. You can set up posts, events, and announcements, but it's also worth noting that it doesn't come with all the bells and whistles of a dedicated forum software or social media platform. If you're looking for more intricate engagement tools, you might want to consider other options. Now let's talk about monetization. Skool allows you to charge for your courses or community access through a membership fee. This is great if you want to create a premium content experience, but Skool's monetization options are fairly limited compared to platforms like Patreon, which provide more flexible options for creators. If you're looking to create a multi-tiered subscription model, for example, Skool doesn't have this built in. And finally, the fourth thing to consider, integrations. Skool offers some essential integrations with tools like Zapier, but it's not as robust in its integration options as some of its competitors. For example, if you need to sync data with email marketing platforms or e-commerce tools, other platforms like Kajabi might be a better choice, as they offer native integrations right out of the box. Before we wrap up, I'll say this. While Skool is a solid choice for creators who are looking to build a community-focused platform with easy-to-use course features, it's not the best option for every creator. For example, if you need more advanced features like deep customization or flexible monetization, platforms like Kajabi, Teachable, or Patreon might be a better fit. So, what's the bottom line? Skool is great for creators looking to build a community with simple courses and social engagement. But if your goal is to run a more complex business with deeper integrations or monetization options, it's worth exploring other platforms. Now, if you're interested in giving Skool a try, we've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, along with some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. But wait, if Skool doesn't seem like the right fit for your needs, don't worry. I've also got some amazing alternatives that might be a better match for your goals. Check the description below for more details, and remember, all of these options have free trials so you can explore them risk-free.